I don't know if I should just film like this because this is me in my truest form with my hair like this, or if I should like try to get it together. I'm gonna try to get it together. See, I feel like I could pull this off right now because should I turn the brightness down? Or not up, down? Because my shirt's green, but like this is really ugly on me. I mean, hi, welcome back to my channel. I don't really know how to do intros anymore, so sorry. But I have a lot of tea to spill, a lot of shit to talk about because my life right now is triggering me. My whole life is triggering at this point in time. So I'm going to talk about it while I do my makeup, and it's like 9 in the morning and everyone in my house is practically sleeping. So I'll take some scotch tape because I really don't think I'm gonna be able to do my makeup today without it. I don't know why, but I feel like I have to be dependent on something. I look really weird. That's fine. Okay. Yesterday was not my day. I was really tired and really cranky the whole day. And so basically when I was filming yesterday, like before I'd gotten the chance to film, everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. And my phone was like, you don't have any storage. And I don't know what happened really, but after that I just broke down. Like I ripped my phone off my ring light holder thingy, and I laid in bed and I cried. And then after I was done crying, I started reading my favorite book. And I don't know what was wrong with me, but I think I'm stable now. But like I just had a random ass attack. I don't even know what to call that. Like a random ass, I had a moment last night. During that moment, I didn't want to do YouTube anymore. I wanted to give up because I felt like God was telling me that I shouldn't film. Because literally anything and everything that could have went wrong that day went wrong, and it was like really upsetting me. So I was like, I should just fucking delete my channel. I was being really dramatic, and then like 30 minutes passed and I was fine. But lately I've been having these really weird ass, like, I don't even know what to call them, like anxiety attacks. And I think it has something to do with the fact that I'm really stressed because I'm a senior. Yeah, I had a mental breakdown yesterday, but a sister is fine. A sister is kind of prospering, not really. Like, my skin's not prospering at all. Like, I've never seen her look this bad. I think I'm gonna take this off because it's really triggering me. Or did it look better on? I don't know. Wow, my eyeshadow looks really bad. Wow, what was I even talking about? I don't even know what I was talking about. And why are my straps sliding down my arm? Yeah, a sister's doing okay. Not well, but substantially okay. But besides that, let's talk about my employer, my dog sitter. So I don't know if you guys saw the video I posted a few weeks ago. Not a few weeks ago, like a week ago. It was like a red glitter eyeshadow look. If you haven't gone and seen it, I'll link it down below. But for a brief amount of time, I talked about the chick that I dog sit for and how she puts a lot of trust in me. And not to toot my own horn, but like toot bitch, because she puts a lot of trust in me for a reason. I've never ever done anything to break her trust. So my friend came over. Her name is Haley. She came over and I freaking had to dog sit. So I was like, hey, can Haley come over while I dog sit? And she was like silento the whole time. And I wasn't just gonna leave Haley at my house. Oh, what the hell is happening? I wasn't just about to leave Haley at my house alone. Where the fuck is the brush that I just used? So yeah, I asked her like a good person should. Like, I'm not just gonna bring someone to her house if I don't have permission. So I was like, hey, can Haley come with me while I dog sit? And she didn't answer me, so I thought that maybe meant no. Because like maybe she like really meant no, but she didn't want to tell me no because she's that nice. So I didn't go. I told my mom that I went though, because you know she was gonna get mad if I didn't go. So yeah, I ended up putting this back on because I don't know, my hair's looking really weird and I don't know what to do. So yeah, I ended up not going because I'm not gonna, first of all, I'm not gonna leave Haley alone at my house. But second of all, I'm not gonna take Haley with me to her house without permission. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just not gonna go. The next morning, she texts me and she's like, I hope you brought your friend. It was fine. I was like, well, I didn't, cause you didn't confirm the day of that it was fine. And she literally got mad and she was like, Juliana, you don't have to ask for permission every time you want to bring someone over. Next time, just do it. And I was like, oh, okay. So you're mad at me because I tried to get permission to bring my friend over to your house. Oh, okay. I see. I see. I get it, sis. Next time I won't ask. Like, don't even trip. Like, next time I'll just bring whoever I want over and I won't even ask. Not really, because like I'm too nice for that, but like, goddamn, she got mad at me. And I was like, fuck you mad for? Because I just wanted to be respectful and make sure it was okay. Like, wow, this looks really bad. Really interesting. I don't know what I'm gonna do because it looks actually very terrible. So this looks like not what I had been expecting, but okay. Bro, I have Polynesian eyes. Apparently, according to a few choice people, my eyes are Polynesian. My Dodolashes came in. Well, not all of them. These are the ones that I got sent for free. They're really cute. These are them. I'm gonna wear them today and see what they look like. These are the D207s. But yeah, my code will be down in my description box. You don't have to use it, but you can. Also, I think I want to do a video. My group chat texted, sorry. I think I want to do a video based on like Korean beauty because I'm just like, Korean beauty is so cute. It's like so cute. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Just like the blush and the winged eyeliner is like very like straight out. It's so cute. And my friend Elenia, she did a Korean beauty. No, she did a makeup video where she like used Korean beauty techniques. I think that's how you want to say it. So yeah, you guys should go watch her video. I'll have it linked down below. I feel like these lashes are kind of perfect for this look because this look is very like minimal, cute, or whatever. So let's talk about the tea that happened with my friends recently. The tea is the beef is squashed, not the tea. The beef is squashed and we're all friends again. We're all over it. But I just find it to be really funny, so I want to talk about it. And I also can give code names. How many girls are on? Okay. Okay, we're gonna call her flower, blueberry, strawberry, apple, and then me. So there's flower, blueberry, strawberry, apple, me. Okay, so we all have spam accounts, right? We all have spam accounts. So flower posted something on her spam account and it said something like, I don't remember what it said. It's like, all of my friends don't hit me up. I have to hit them up or we'll never talk again. And then Blueberry commented in that, you right, I only fuck with you and your BF. So I'm friends with Blueberry and I was like feeling some type of way or whatever. So I went and I posted on my spam, you know, drama starter. I posted something like, I already know who I am and am not going to be talking to after high school and that's sad. And then I like went on this rant and it wasn't even like just about them, it was about like whoever it applied to. And then at the end I put, if the shoe fits, wear it, bitch. I knew that Blueberry saw it because she liked it. I didn't know if I didn't know if Flower had seen it or not because I just didn't know because she didn't like it or anything. But first of all, I posted that not just for them. Like I have some low-key beef with 2 to 3 other people. Not like beef, but like I'm wary about 2 to 3 other people because of the way they treat me low-key. Not gonna say who, lol. I was like low-key subtweeting anyone and everyone, but I guess it made it seem like I was only subtweeting them, which it did seem that way. But I subtweeted everyone it applied to because I was tired of everyone's BS. And so Blueberry goes on and she posts something like, I don't remember what it said. It's so funny. It was like some shit like some shit like basically what I said, like I only screw with a few people, like yada 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 yada, and then if the shoe fits, wear it. And so then I was like, whoa, is she subbing me? So then I look on Flower's account and she made another post and it was like, LOL, some friends obviously got mad at that last post. And it said something else too that I forgot. And then one of her friends was like, LOL, just at me. And then Flower goes, believe me, it wasn't just you. So then I was like, something's definitely happening here. So I call up my friend Strawberry and I'm like, bro, did you see Blueberry and Flower's Instagram post? And she was like, what? No. So she goes on Instagram and she looks at the post and she's like, what the hell is going on? And I was like, dude, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what's happening right now. And then my other friend, Apple, she sent me my post. She was like, and then like, what is this about? And then I told her, go look at Flower and Blueberry's posts on their spams. And she was like, all right. And she looked at them and she was like, what the hell is going on? LOL. So basically I explained the whole story to them. And I was like, yo, they're subtweeting me. Like, I feel like they're subtweeting me and I feel like they're together. We start talking about the whole situation in our DMs and we're like, okay, well, we never had the talk we're supposed to have because our friend group has been having some weird ass problems. Like, we always have issues. So we were like, we never even got to have that talk and this is just making it worse. Strawberry, she goes ahead and she texts Blueberry and she's like, are you subtweeting Juliana? And Blueberry goes, what? No. I have trust issues, first of all. I have mad trust issues. So we got into this huge argument. All three of us, can I do math? All five of us, we got into this huge ass argument. Long story short, when we went to school the next day, I didn't know what to say to either of them. So basically, I didn't talk to either of them for a whole week. Not because I was mad, but because I didn't know what to say to them. Little did I know that my friend Flower texted me on Thursday. And she was like, so I take it as you're mad at me. And my dumbass, if you know me, you know I'm really bad at replying. Like, really bad. I don't know why, but I've never been great at replying to messages, Snapchats, any of that. So I didn't see it until like 4 days later. And when I saw it, I was like, oh shite. So I texted her back like, I'm not mad. I don't know what to say. I'm annoyed. And so then we all made up in the end. But like, that just goes to show, don't subtweet your friends on Insta. It's dumb. So recently one of my friends came over and we were talking about the Shane Dawson video and I watched it. I watched some of it. I didn't even finish it, but I watched some of it. And bro, I low-key think, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but I feel like it is possible that I have a few sociopath friends. Or like, not friends, but like acquaintances. Like, what if some of the people I know are sociopaths? I feel like Jake Paul might actually be an actual true sociopath. Like, what if you're best friends right now with a sociopath? What if your parent is a sociopath? Can an animal be a sociopath? Why the fuck am I using this small brush to blend out my freaking bronzer, first of all? I was trying to go to the Billie Eilish concert because she's coming in November. And I wanted to go see her. But y'all are ugly. And she sold out within like 20 seconds. And I couldn't get tickets. And now her tickets like are like in the hundreds. Okay, so let me tell you the tea. Not the tea, but like it's like light Lipton tea, like the fake type. Is it okay to use toner as setting spray? We'll see. How do y'all deal without setting spray though? Do you not? Like, I feel so dry when I don't put any on and like my... What the fuck? Oh, this Halloween, it's almost spooky season. This Halloween, I want to do so many different cool things for my channel. I want to do so many different videos. And I want to try to do special effects makeup, aka like using liquid latex and stuff. So, I don't know what type of videos y'all want to see. Or what type of special effects makeup. So let me know. Why is my mom calling me? We don't want me to tell. You know, I feel bad. I really do feel bad because I judged Ariana Grande too quickly, and I actually do like her music now. I used to dislike her music so much. I don't know why. Dude, I'm pretty sure in the entirety of this video, you're gonna be able to hear my brother screaming because he's playing Fortnite. What am I doing? I ran out of topics to talk about, lol. So I was gonna do a mukbang with my friends. We were gonna get a Pizza Hut box and do a mukbang, but Angelica's dumbass got grounded, so we couldn't do it. But like when she's ungrounded, we're gonna do it. I know this is a makeup video or a makeup channel, but I'm doing this, okay? This lip gloss makes me want to gag every time I put it on, but it's so pretty. Yeah, I think that was the end of this video. I think I did everything. I look pretty ugly, but that's just like standard. So if you enjoyed, you can like it and you can subscribe, or like you don't have to, like that's fine. Other than that, I think that's all I have to say. If you stayed until the end, you're a real one. I love you, and I will see you all in a few days. Bye.